everybody, it's Kelly, and I am scrapping these darling photos of my daughter-in-law and granddaughter on a little solo trip to the zoo. So I'm going to start out with the two photos of them. That'll be one page, and then the other page you can kind of see laid out to the right side there. So that is a black paper there from Bella Boulevard. It's the Bella Besties freehand graph dot in black, and then the pink dot paper that I'm using on both sides of the layout is the Doodlebug Petite print in the bubblegum dot stripe. So I'm not mirroring a layout. I'm not even using the exact same papers for both sides, but I am doing the pink in common. And then I have that doily, and it's a Celebrate It doily, which is from, I think, from perhaps Hobby Lobby, but don't quote me on that one. And that, I believe, is a 6-inch doily, if I remember correctly, because those photos are a little bit smaller than 6-inch. So I really want those two photos. First of all, the photo of my granddaughter there is so beyond cute. But I really wanted those two photos to kind of shine. And then the rest of it is a little bit of extra to, tell the complete story for them, at least. I am going to separate the top and bottom row of these 6 photos by just a little bit of a space. There was a lot going on here in color, and the pink is very bright, so I decided to just separate it to make it a little bit easier to see. Sometimes I will do that. Normally I just pop the 2 rows together, but sometimes I'll separate them, or I'll put something in between the 2, and that's kind of how they look. All right, so basically the right side is done. That is one nice thing when you have a lot of photos. So eight photos on 2 pages. Not bad. And speaking of separating, I love these 2 photos so much separately. If it hadn't been this complete story, I would have scrapbooked them separately, but it is a complete story about their zoo date here. Doesn't mean I couldn't scrapbook them again, but really they're in their album, and that's the most important thing. I am going to cut off that doily there because I didn't get it perfectly centered, and I don't want anything sticking out between the 2. So it's not completely centered, but that's a doily, and it's fine. It's not perfect, and I'm okay with that. So I am going to justify this a little bit towards the top, and the reason that I'm doing that cluster with the doily and the 2 photos is because I'm going to put the title right down below, and those flocked alphabet stickers are the Doodlebug Shindig alphabet in lily white. They are a flocked alphabet, and a friend of mine bought me as a surprise a couple of different kits. One of them was a Doodlebug embellishment kit, and then another one was a paper kit. So that was really fun. It's something that they used to sell on Amazon. You might still be able to get them. They just bundle them all together, and you don't know what you're getting. This came in them, and they're not very sticky. I didn't write down how old they are. I don't know if it even says. Actually, I have them close. 2008. So those are old, and that's probably why they're not very sticky anymore, and why they're putting them in a kit. But anyway, so I will go back later on after this video is over, after I finish this and after the video's done, and I went back and I added some glue to them to try to get them to stick a little bit better. Otherwise they would have fallen off eventually. As a matter of fact, I think I missed one of the O's, and as I was pulling stuff together to do this video today, one of the O's fell off, which is fine. I just put some ATG glue on it. Now I'm moving this around just a little bit to I wanted to center it a little bit more, I guess, is what I'm doing there. And I'm using my centering ruler, which is from Hobby Lobby, if anybody needs one of those. But I'm sure you can get them on, Amazon and lots of other craft places as well. So I did the whole piece there and didn't put it on the black paper yet. So let's get that down. I will tell you that this layout is going to be really simple, and part of it is there's so much going on the right side, and I love the photos on the left, so I really wanted the focus for everything to be right there, and that's why you're going to see me just do some very simple embellishment here. So right there I added that label sticker. That's from LE Studios. And then I added a heart That is a puffy heart from the Bella Boulevard Puffy Heart stickers, the Punch Mix, which are old. I do have new things, but not a ton. So I just added those 2 there. I'm going to add 2 there, and I'm going to add 2 here. And that's all the embellishment I'm going to do. And I really think that this layout, that's all I'm going to need. That plus a few words underneath the photo. And this is really done. By the way, that label is black, not navy. I said navy. I'm looking at all the navy in her little jacket and pants there. So, all right. Here is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.